my algebra class is knock out 10.1's homework, complete questions 1 through 8. It wants to tell whether the data are categorical or numerical or univariate or bivariate. Categorical means breaking things up in categories, like maybe the type of flower that something is. Numerical would be, well, there's got to be some type of number sequence, maybe the age of kids. Univariate would mean we're just talking about one thing, or bivariate would mean we're comparing one thing to another. All right, so then we have to explain our reasoning. Number 1 says brand and color of cars in a parking lot. The brand is definitely a category, not a numeral, right? And so is the color of a parking lot. That's definitely categorical. And then since there's 2 things we're comparing, that's bivariate. So let's see. The brand and colors of cars are non-numerical entries that can be separated into 2 different categories. They represent 2 characteristics of a population. They are categorical and bivariate. All right, number 2 is for you to do. Number 3 says budget and profit of feature film. The budget and profits are dealing with money. So we're definitely going to have numerical values here. And we're comparing 2 different things. So that would definitely be bivariate, right? The budget is how much we spent. The profit is how much we made. So the budgets and profits are numerical entries that measure 2 characteristics of the population. So they are numerical and bivariate. Number 5, shoe size of students in your class. The shoe size is numerical. And students in your class, really, that's not going to be broken up. That's really one category. So that's univariate. We're talking, I'm sorry, I didn't mean the category, I mean is univariate. So we're talking numerical and univariate here. So the shoe size are numerical measurements of one characteristics of a population. So the data are numerical and univariate. Number 6 is for you to do. Number 7 says the data display shows the daily sales of an ice cream shop and the average temperature that day. Tell whether the data are categorical or numerical and univariate or bivariate. And are there any outliers? Okay, well, we're comparing temperature, which is in degrees. That's definitely numerical. And so is the sales, right? That's in money. That's numerical. Then we're comparing 2 different things, right? Temperature and dollars. So that's going to be bivariate. So this should be numerical and bivariate. They said, are there any outliers? Yes, this one definitely here is not following the trend of the others, because the trend of the others is going through this line here, right? So this is definitely an outlier. And why might it be there? Well, it's saying at 50 degrees, sales were 200. Maybe we had some huge sales, like a 2-for-1 deal or something, right? People heard about it and came running, all right? So the temperature and sales are numerical entries that measure 2 characteristics of a population. So the data is numerical and bivariate. Yes, there is an outlier. It says the outlier may have been caused by a special event occurring when the temperature was low, making the sales higher than normal. All right, I believe number 8 was for you to do, and there's none left leading into 10-2, so that's it. Have a great night, and we'll be grading this in class.